Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video. And you might remember I did a review of this previously. Last time, the Land Rover Defender 90 Rose Gold Edition from Majorette. And today we are going to review more Majorette Rose Golds. And one of it will be this one right here, the Chevroletcamaro Rose Gold Edition 2022. And this is apart from the premium cars. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So as always, these rose gold cars, there are only 5,000 of them produced, and they come with rubber tires and a chrome rose gold treatment, which is pretty cool. I do quite like it as well. And hold on, let me just do something before I put it on the turntable. Now let us put it on the turntable. And would you look at that, the rose gold Camaro. I love the color on this one. I mean, the overall color with the car, it just seems so nice. Especially that they've picked the wide body Camaro. It's very cool. I've never gotten this Camaro before. I know it released in a black color before this. But yeah, this is my first time having this Camaro, or this version of the Camaro with the wide body. So I won't be showing you the detail of the car. I'm just gonna leave it on the turntable because I don't want any fingerprints to be stuck on there forever. So I'm just gonna describe the whole car on the turntable itself. So first of all, at the door side, you could kind of see it has the number 22 on it, just like every other rose gold edition, or maybe other editions of course. And then basically the whole car is clean, no any sponsorships or maybe no stripes or anything. Well, you have the rubber tires, which are kind of cool. You have the rose gold treatment on the wheels as well, the rims of the wheels, which are kind of cool. And then yeah, basically you have the wide body fitment on this. You could kind of see that the wheel arches have wide bodies on it, which is kind of cool. So basically this car has opening doors, which I don't think I will do it on the turntable itself. So you have the headlights, and then you have the Camaro logo, and obviously the rear lights, which are kind of cool, very nice. You have the black interior inside, which is quite cool. You even have some grille detailing. You have an extended front bumper, an extended rear bumper with diffuser, which is kind of cool. No rear spoiler / lip, which is okay, I guess. How am I supposed to show the base? Never mind, I'm just gonna show the base for you guys. Okay, black base, as you can see, made in Thailand. Chevroletcamaro 160, what scale is it? 164. Okay, 164 scale, not too bad. Overall, quite a cool rose gold Camaro. And yeah, as always, it's limited edition, you already know it, so it's quite rare to find. Especially this one is quite rare. And actually I have two of these actually. The other one I'm gonna keep, and this one obviously you can already see it on the turntable. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Chevroletcamaro for the Rose Gold Edition 2022. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this casting and the color itself. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.